Full Body 9 family, my name is Katie, and today we're going to be making some ginger shots. I want to boost my immune system a little bit because I have a lot of fun things coming up and I do not want to get sick beforehand. So I'm going to prep in advance and make some immune boosting ginger shots. Ingredients: 2 lemons, 2 oranges, 2 cups of water. We're going to do a heaping tablespoon of ground turmeric. We're going to do a tablespoon of honey. And then I wanted to do ginger root, but the grocery store didn't have it, and that's okay, that's okay. I have this ginger puree, so I'm gonna use this instead of ginger root, but you can do ginger root. And ginger is great for you. It can have an overbearing flavor. It could be a bit of a preference thing. So you can adjust accordingly, but I'm gonna get heavy on it because I want that immunity boost, okay? To start, we're gonna take the peels off of our citrus. I'm trying not to get juice in my eye. I'm gonna toss right in. Toss right in. Moving on. Ooh, I didn't realize this is a blood orange. We love that. Uno más, uno más. Now, as I'm filming this, it is the beginning of spring. And a lot of times people assume that if we're out of the winter season, that the colds and flus are gone. We know better. Not true. It's not true. So I'm still gonna give my body what it needs to fight off any illnesses that are headed my way. All right, let's get rid of this. Moving on. I got my turmeric here. I'm gonna add a lot. I'm gonna do my best not to spill on myself because this does stain, okay? Proceed with caution. Ooh, baby, this is very good. Anti-inflammatory, we love that. Guys, so far I did not spill, but things could change. All right. A tablespoon of honey. Because this is going to be a little sour. So the sweetness of the orange will be nice, and this will add a little sweetness as well. I'm going to do a heaping. I'm going to do 2. Crazy girl. How's that smell? Yeah. I'm gonna do 2.5. I know, call me crazy, but I'm trying to be healthy. Now we'll add 2 cups of water. Yippee! Almost to the brim there. All right, are we on? No spillage? Let's blend this baby. All done. As expected, there's going to be some pulp in here. We threw the whole fruits in, so there's going to be some pulp. It's not bad for you, but if you don't want it, you can strain it. So I have a strainer in my bowl with a spout. That's going to be helpful, and we're going to strain that. All right, we're going to strain her. Marvelous. Sometimes she has a little hard time going through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spatula and just kind of press down and allow the liquid to seep through the edges and the pulp to remain in the strainer. Sometimes she just needs a little bit of help, like all of us do at times, so it's okay. I mean, how cute are these? So tiny. They're so tiny. Okay, I'm going to put them all on a cutting board. That has a little lip around, a little edge, so that if I spill, which is probable because I'm a bowl in a china shop, then it spills on my cutting board and not my table. Ha ha! Okay, now we pour. Gently, slowly, gently and slowly. Yay! I mean, a perfect pour, some would say. Okay, before I take a shot of this, let's discuss why it's such a good thing to have. We'll start with lemon, high in vitamin C. It has anti-cancer properties. It has rutin in it. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, but it helps with cardiovascular health. They also lower bad cholesterol. We love a lemon. Oranges, also high in vitamin C. They are immune boosting. Helps with aging. Now listen, I'm a fan of aging. It means that you had a long, beautiful life. But if it's going to help prevent some of the wrinkles, then I love it. Vitamin C helps with cell damage and disease, so we love her. Oranges have fiber, folate, potassium, and calcium. They're anti-inflammatory, they help with eye health, they slow down the progression of tumors, they prevent infections, and they decrease the longevity of a cold. See, immune boosting. We love an orange. And I mistakenly had blood oranges and not regular oranges, but I like that because they are higher in anti-cancer properties. Amazing, lucky me. Let's move on to ginger. Anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer properties, help with nausea. They aid digestion. For colon, ovarian, and rectal cancers, ginger actually destroys those cells, so that's nice. We'll add that into our diet. Ginger's a pain reliever because of its anti-inflammatory strength. It's actually a pain reliever. Turmeric has such great anti-inflammatory properties that it actually competes with a lot of medicine that's on the market, but it's a natural alternative, so it's nice to incorporate that into your diet. It prevents the growth of certain cancer cells, and it also lowers bad cholesterol. And it may slow the progression of Alzheimer's, so that's pretty sweet. I know we don't have a ton of research on that, and a lot of us have been touched by Alzheimer's, so it's nice to incorporate this into your diet so that your loved ones don't have that feeling. So this is an epic little power-packed shot. Full transparency, I am hungover, and the thought of doing a shot does make me want to gag. However, I gotta grow up. You know, it's not tequila, it's ginger. It's a ginger, citrus, turmeric, immune boosting shot. Worth it. So, cheers, darlings. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope your immune health is top tier. And also freeze them. You can pour them into little ice molds and freeze them, and then when you're ready to have it, you can pop it out and pour hot water on it. So cool. All right, darlings. See you next time.